Hello everyone. So today we will see how to use mail merge to create a number of documents which have the same format with some variable fields. For example, let us take this example of to make a certificate of achievement of one of the program conducted at your institute. So here is the sample where a program was conducted by Department of Structural Engineering, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. So for this program, suppose we have to create a certificate of achievement, that is certificate of participation, with the name of that particular participant and from which college they are. So for this, let us start to use the mail merge. So for this, first you need to click on this mailing option. Let me just click this mailing option. So here you have to click on this start mail merge. So under this you need to go with the letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory. So many options are available here. So basically first we will go with the step by step method of mail merge wizard. So click on the last option, step by step mail merge wizard. So once you click on this, first it will ask you to select a document type. So by default the letters are selected, don't change this. Now you can go to the next step, that is starting the document. So it is asking you the next step, that is use the current document. Select the recipient, that is next step. So in this recipient you need to browse one Excel file. So here I am browsing the Excel file that I have already prepared. So here my Excel file. In mail merge, so here I have created one Excel file, so that I will just browse from here, where in that Excel file I have created two columns, one with name of participants and second with the college name. As we require this data here in the certificate, this is to certify that, so we require a name of participant and from which college they are. So here I have selected that list. Now we have to write our letter. So writing a letter, it means you can start writing the letter along with the variable entries. So here I want to have the name of participant. So I will be selecting that space and clicking on edit recipient list. So in this recipient list I am clicking on the name of participant and just clicking OK. Or else you can go to insert merge field and click on name of participant. So here that name of participant, it is there. So we'll just delete this extra space from here. Now from which college? So for this we will insert another field, that is college name. So all set now. Your document, it is ready with the name of participant and the college name that is inserted from the mail merge field. So now we will finish this. Write your letter part, preview your letter. So you can preview your letter along with the name of the participants in the list provided and from which college they are. So finally we'll complete this mail merge and we'll go to a print section, printing all documents. So here we'll convert all those things with the PDF. So I'll save this PDF with the certificate name and just click on save button. So here your document, it is ready now. So you can see that document, you can see here that certificate PDF, it is generated. We will open. Also I will show you the Excel sheet where all the participant names and their college names are there, and accordingly how we have created this document. So here as you can see, in name of participant, total 6 participants are there. So accordingly we will get in PDF the same form. So here as you can see, the name of first participant Abhay Avantika from ABC College. So it is there. Next participant Adi Kishwari. Next participant Bagal Shraddha. Next Darunte Tejas. Kavresh Ravan, Vagniti. So here, as I have created only 7 participants, similarly you can go with the n number of data entry, with the help of which you can create number of documents with the help of mail merge. Thank you.